Hi, how are you doing? I'm Gregory Burrowes from Butcher Block. I'm here to talk about our expansion, what we're doing here. We've been around for the last 3 years, and we've recently taken over Candy Craze, great candy store, and they have moved into Ligony area. And we have taken their space and taken over the courtyard where we're doing table and chairs. We're doing wine on the weekend with our charcuterie boards. We don't do any cooking here at the moment. But we have our great steaks. We do USDA, Black Angus Prime and Choice. And we are recently got the rights for Weber grills. So we are the distributor for all of Weber. So if you need a good grill, it's one of the #1 grills in the world, come and see us. We've gotten a lot of support from our local providers. We carry Tootsie K, which is elected by Australia, great caterer. We carry OG Jaja, which is, his brand is a Shebri. Simon Levy, which is roast. He does all our bacon, salami, pepperonis. He makes a salmon dip for us. Christina Simonich are some of the local brands we carry. Chili Witch from Montego Bay. Cannonball makes pot pies. Ducky sauce. And Scotch bonnet butter from Uncle Ducky. Awesome stuff. Actually, Uncle Ducky is almost here every day. So if you ever want to come down and talk to him, he's here. You can ask questions. All right. But we've expanded because we've seen such a great response to our high-end meat, beef, great pork from Copperwood, our free-range chicken from Best Dress, that we felt that we needed to expand because of the great support. And we thank everybody, all our customers that come in and support us every day, once a week, once a month, special occasions, Friday night dinner, weekend barbecue, all those campers and hunters. We thank them for their support as well, to take the stuff into the bush and grill. Thank you very much.